From concept to reality, from the hills and mountains of Roraima to the backwoods of Columbia, Maryland, a beer I created, OMLA, and it stands in majestic form. In this kingdom of mine with fictitious horses, here we are, greeting the arrival. But prior to that, I made this one. Give me some, a liqueur. I'm trying to punctuate my life for the future. In an attempt to create a legacy that may have some fortitude for the future, I have created a beer. OMLA. My horses, even though fictitious in this monarchy, are here to welcome its arrival this month, May of 2019. Prior to this, I created another liquid drink. Gimme some. It had some mixed reviews. Needs some tweaking, but it's the attempt that matters in this fine setting. In an attempt to create a legacy, I have created a beer, OMLA, at my headquarters. My fictitious monarchy. My horses are here to welcome the bear's arrival. But prior to that, this was my other liquid recreational drink. Gimme some. Created last year. Had mixed reviews. But who cares? It's the creation that matters. The legacy that stands.